Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, today I am going to be cutting some stuff with this. Starting with the plate that's on here right now. That's the first thing I cut. So there's some pretty good real-time cuts that I'm going to do. So it is going to be, fairly slow. That's why I'm only doing like 3 or 4 pieces. So I'm going to show you those cuts now. Alright, well, we're going to try and make some of our first cuts here. Quite honestly, I'm not a fan of wearing gloves. Definitely not gloves that aren't done up. But around things like this, because that gets caught in there, brings your finger in and you're in a mess of hurt. But because we're dealing with steel and it might be jagged and cut myself, I'm going to be real careful. I also have hearing protection, which quite honestly it wasn't as loud as I thought it was going to be, so I'm not too upset about that. And I don't believe I showed you or told you what blade I was using. You can definitely get a better blade for thicker materials that might cut it a lot faster. It's the DW3988 or DW3989 and DW3992. I'm using the DeWalt. The one I am using is the 3986, which is not on, there's a list back here, and it's right below or right above, and there's a 3986B as well. I'm using the 3986, which does not say it's for thicker or more demanding applications. The three I just mentioned before are for those. The one I used did alright for me. I'm pretty happy with it. Next time I might buy one for more demanding or thicker materials. But I got three of these, which did really well. And then I actually have the 3984, I believe, is the other group set I got. All from Amazon. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Got something out of it. I am very happy with it. Now it's slow. A couple of those cuts you'll notice, you know, this is my first time using this at all to make any kind of cuts really with it. So I don't know how to hold everything or exactly what the fastest way to cut things are. So I'm still trying to figure things out. And I wasn't pushing hard. I mean, you could probably plow through stuff a lot more with this. But, you know, I don't want to kill the blade. I want to make it last. You know, it did it plenty fast enough for me. And made a lot of things easier than just trying to, especially like cutting these right here, where I cut this channel out right here so that it had a spot for this. I started grinding on this and it was just taking forever, so I went ahead and made those cuts. So very happy with it so far. I can see doing all kinds of brackets and cool stuff with it now. So hopefully you enjoyed this. If you want to watch the one on the table or making my spring compressor, go check out those videos. One will be in the spring compressor, will be in the Jeep Liberty playlist, and this one is in the tools, products, and reviews as well. So that will probably be the same playlist that this one will be in. Thanks for watching Junk Works Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.